Chinese scientists began investigating the chemical makeup and medical effects of Lingzhi in the 1950s and supported their findings with clinical studies. Research done in China on Lingzhi has spurred international interest in the study of Lingzhi. Researchers from China, Japan, Korea, and the United States have formed an International Lingzhi Research Association, bringing research on Lingzhi to a global platform. Through advanced technology, scientists have attained a better understanding of the main chemical composite of the herb, which include effective components such as polysaccharides, organic germanium, triterpenes, ribotide, and bioalkaline, also the special effects and treatment of Lingzhi on the cardiovascular system, the nervous system, and immune system, as well as its anti-cancer effects. Since ancient times, Lingzhi has been prepared as a precious tonic for strengthening the body constitution. Today, with the help of modern technology, the functional effects of Lingzhi have become even clearer. The body operates on various major systems such as the nervous system, internal system, immune system, circulatory system, and others. If these systems are not being properly regulated, one can succumb to illnesses. The active components of Long Ha Logwood Lingzhi are able to regulate the various systems, enhance stability, and at the same time ensure a balance between the external and internal conditions of our body. Besides preventing disease, the strengthening effects of Lingzhi are particularly effective in the prevention and treatment of chronic diseases, especially common symptoms such as headache, hypertension, diabetes, and various liver and kidney disorders. In addition, Lingzhi can also eliminate toxins accumulated in the body through the intake of various Western medications, antibiotics, painkillers, and anti-inflammatory medications, thus achieving a detoxification effect. In this fast-paced modern world, people are subject to extensive pressure resulting in tension, insomnia, giddiness, fatigue, and loss of appetite. The organic germanium found in Lingzhi helps to enhance the ability of the bloodstream to take in oxygen by more than 1.5 times. It also helps to increase the rate of metabolism and prevent aging. According to research reported by a Japanese doctor, the amount of germanium contained in Lingzhi is about 800 to 2,000 parts per million, which is 4 to 6 times that of ginseng. In addition, Lingzhi also contains polysaccharides that help to improve immunity. Hence, the stabilizing effects of Lingzhi will help to strengthen one's health, improve vitality, and bring up immune functions. In short, Lingzhi obviously delays the process of aging, and this is the essence of the saying of Shen Nung's Herbal Classic that states, "Continuous consumption of Lingzhi will make your body light and